Hello and welcome. It's AL-MUEEZ here again today. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a seamless pattern on Pixellab with your smartphone. So many of us would have been in a situation whereby you want to create a pattern for a brand when we are creating brand identity for a brand, and we end up trying to create the pattern manually. Something like this, you created, let's say this is the shape we're using for our pattern, and you created this, then you duplicate and trying to set it yourself. This can be what this is wrong. It can be disturbing, it can take your time, and it won't even be perfect, it won't be seamless. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a seamless pattern with Pixellab. Then before we do that, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, and what for every other person, click on the notification bell to make sure that you receive a notification for every single video newly uploaded on this channel. Click on the like button, then go down to the comment section and click on creating seamless pattern with Pixellab, and also share to your friends. Then without further ado, let's begin. Now, to create a seamless pattern on Pixellab, you first have to determine your pattern. So this video, I will not be showing you how to determine your pattern. It's a different topic, and if you want me to do a video on that, kindly type it in the subscribe section. I will do a video on it. So this is the icon I'll be using for my pattern. I got this from a particular logo I designed. So to for my pattern, I want it such a way that this will be alternating and repeated. What do I mean? I have this, then I can copy, then I alternate it by clicking on 3D rotate, and I put this at 0 0, this also at 0. Okay, you see it's alternating. Then you set it, make sure it's close to each other. Your own process might not be like this. It depends on the pattern you are creating. You might not need to alternate it or copy, maybe using a single stuff, but make sure that the icon is big enough. I'll tell you what I meant by that. So try to make it a little bit close and facing each other. Okay, this is perfect. Then we merge the two icons together, merge it together, then we enlarge it. So this is what I meant. Make sure this is enlarged, and we can centralize. Okay, some parts are cutting out. I don't want any parts to cut out, so I can just reduce the size a little bit, and I centralize. Okay, no part is cutting out now. Then you come over here to this place to remove the background. Click on transparent. Then we save this. We save it in our phone's memory. We are coming back to it. Okay, once we save this, so we just disable this, and we create a shape, a square shape, and you can put it in color. White is okay. Then you go to your relative size and increase to 100. Then you centralize. Once you centralize, make sure the shape is highlighted, it is clicked. So once it is clicked, then you go to your texture. Once you click on texture, you click on this image icon, and we click on the icon we saved. That's the icon with that background that we saved. You click on it. Once you click on it, then you click on this mark button. Then you come down here and you scale down. You see, we have a seamless pattern right on right with our Pixellab. We created a seamless pattern. You see, they follow each other. It is perfect, and it is easier and faster than doing it yourself. So you imagine doing this all yourself, it will waste a lot of your time, and it may not even be perfect. So for us to use this pattern, we have to remove the background. So you can either save this and remove the background with any of your background removing tool, whether website, app, or software, or you can just remove it with your Pixellab, since we are having the background is a single colored background, it's just white. So if it is multiple, it can be it can be stressful. So since it is just white color, we can just click on erase color and enable, then the background is gone. So sometimes using this erase color can make your image to still remain with some white color. So you can just recolor it, go to color, enable, then you recolor. So we have a seamless background. So you can use this on your mockups, on your design. So these are some of the mockups I use them on. So view them. So this is how to create a seamless pattern using your Pixellab on your smartphone. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share to your friend, and remember to click on this notification button so that you will enjoy every single new videos uploaded on this channel, and comment on this video. So till next time we meet, peace and love.